Do we continue walking? Guys, I'm not talking a lot because I don't know the history of this place. We just follow our tour guide.
Some bars live outside of Belgian bars. What they do is you're not going to walk out of this bar without your right shoe. You're not going to walk out of this big discount. También uno de los grupos que antes que los tienes también hay unos bares fuera de Boca que tienen mucho miedo que son unos bares. Entonces se lo meten. Seymour City, which is very important to my country because he was a mathematician and he was the first to create the water out of the lake. Somewhere.
So nice to come and see the city of Bourges. You're just following our tour guide and then you just listen what he's saying, what he's explaining about this place. Galerie has chocolate. This is an Belgian chocolate.
So, this I was telling you about this one, okay? So during your free time, say, hey, I'm with Ian. You can try here, one chocolate for free. Yo creo que hay una persona famosa aquí también. Les voy a preguntar a las personas locales, que son desde aquí, y vamos a ver si hay.
Casi le da un beso. This one.
So guys, this is the tallest building here in Belgium. And it's so nice. And then this is the I think the mayor's house. It's one. A lot of people today. Okay, ni Kuya. So guys, we are done touring the center of the Burj here in Belgium, and then we'll just take a picture of this. So tignan niyo guys, gaano kaganda yung mga buildings nila dito. We are here in Belgium. So guys, we are done visiting the city.
So I guess you have to give back the device later. You gave it back already?
Not yet, it's here in my pocket.
No.
So it's so beautiful, the Belgium country, and this is the city of Bruges. Take a picture here. Oh, wow. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Thank you.
Allez, on va manger.
Thank you. So colorful the buildings here. We're going to eat here, guys. We're going to sit there. Yes, here. Here. Sa taas ay ng restaurant na to, dito makikita natin yung view ng Burj. Dito yan sa Belgium, not Berlin. Belgium. Yan. Yan ang mayor's house. Guys, yung tour natin is a whole day tour. Dito yan sa Belgium. Andito tayo sa country ng Belgium. And ito yung mayor's house nila or mayor's office. Dito yan sa Burj. Ang tawag ng place na to is Burj. Yan. May gumagaya dito. Nagano tayo tapos ginagaya din tayo. Gaya-gaya po tumaya. Pakain sa buaya. Madaming tao kumakain. Tingnan ninyo. Doon. Dito. Tingnan natin dito. Yan. Labas tayo. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa labas. Ayan. Doon tayo. Tignan natin doon. Dito ipapakita ko sa inyo gaano kaganda. Ayan. Dito tayo kumain, guys. Okay natin is salad. Mixed salad. Yung view natin from here. Tignan niyo doon. Yan ang view natin pag kakain tayo. Dito lang yan sa Burj. Dito sa Belgium. Andito tayo ngayon sa Belgium. So guys. Ito. So much beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful. So let's go, let's eat because we are going to eat now. Habang kumakain tayo guys, andyan ang view natin dito. Yung si Kuya, ang sarap niya. So guys, hindi pa tayo tapos kumain. Kakain pa tayo. Nag-salad lang tayo. Bet ko si Kuya, pogi siya. So city tour. So guys, ito yung national food nila. Parang ito yung pinakasikat dito na pagkain nila is beef. Tapos niluluto siya into a very slow fire and mahabang oras with salad and fries. Ayan po. Tapos yung background natin ganyan. Guys, before leaving, I'm going to take a video here. So that's the restaurant that we ate before. But this one I like.
Name of the horse is Billy.
It's Billy. Hello, Billy. The name of the horse is Billy. Billy.
Oh, toute la journée.
Billy. Billy. There is a tour car here.
Start here on the market square. This is the central place.
Lot of people. Traffic sobrang ganda. This is the recommended chocolate, a very nice chocolate here in Belgium, here in Bruges. And then we have our one free taste. That's their chocolate here. We are done visiting this city, and now we are going to walk anywhere we go. There's a lot of bike also here.
It's nice, no?
Smells bad.